In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar, and it's tailored just for teachers. Managing your time efficiently is crucial, especially when balancing classes, meetings, and consultations. Let's dive into making this process seamless for you. First, we begin by opening up your Google Calendar. You'll need to go to the official Google Calendar website, which should be your starting point every time you want to organize your schedule. Having access to your calendar is essential, so ensure you're logged into your Google account to view your calendar on the web. Now, once your calendar is opened, move your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. There you will see a button labeled Create. This button is your gateway to customizing and organizing your calendar events. So go ahead and click on Create. In the menu that appears, you'll notice several options you can choose from. For today's task, look for the appointment schedule option and give it a click. This is where the core of your appointment scheduling will happen, allowing you to systematically organize the consultations and meetings with your students or colleagues. Next, input the details of your appointment. Here, you have the opportunity to personalize everything about the appointment. Start with a clear and concise title that reflects the purpose of the schedule, such as student consultations or department meeting. Then specify the duration of each appointment to prevent overlaps and ensure that you can manage your time without any hassle. Don't forget to input the date and time as well. This information is crucial for keeping everyone informed of when they can schedule a time with you. Once you've filled in those details, proceed by clicking on Next. This will take you to a more detailed section where you can add optional but quite handy information. If you would like, you can change your photo, which makes it easier for students to recognize who they're meeting. You can also set the meeting location if the appointment requires a physical meeting space, or you can select a Google Meet link for virtual meetings. Including this information ahead of time ensures that everything runs smoothly when the appointment time comes. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Save to finalize your appointment schedule. Congratulations, your schedule is now created, but there's one final step: sharing it. Navigate to your calendar grid, select the appointment schedule you've just created, and then look for the Share button. Clicking on this will give you a link to your booking page. Copy that link and distribute it as needed. This could be via email, incorporated in an online learning platform, or wherever you typically communicate with students and colleagues. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared your appointment schedule, making life a little bit easier for you and everyone else involved. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this newfound scheduling efficiency valuable in your teaching journey.